Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to express feelings and emotions in English. Most learners know the basics: happy, sad, angry, tired. But real conversations use a much richer vocabulary. Imagine you passed a really difficult exam. You don't just feel happy, you feel relieved, proud, excited, maybe even a little emotional. Today we'll learn exactly how to express all of those feelings and how to respond when someone shares their feelings with you. Let's begin. Section 1, go beyond the basics. Let's start with the most common emotions and upgrade them. Instead of happy, try these stronger options. I'm thrilled, very happy and excited. I'm delighted, formal, very pleased. I'm over the moon, British expression meaning extremely happy. I'm absolutely ecstatic, the strongest level of happiness. Instead of sad, try I'm a bit down, mildly sad, I feel low, not in a good mood. I'm heartbroken, deeply sad, often about a relationship. I'm devastated, extremely sad about something serious. Instead of angry, try I'm annoyed, mildly irritated. I'm frustrated, can't achieve what you want. I'm furious, very angry. I'm livid, extremely angry, very British. Instead of scared, try I'm a bit nervous, mild anxiety. I'm worried, concerned about something. I'm terrified, very scared. I'm dreading it, scared of something that hasn't happened yet. Key phrases to remember: I'm over the moon, extremely happy. I'm devastated, extremely sad. I'm livid, extremely angry. I'm dreading it, very scared of what's coming. Section 2, positive feelings. Now let's look at positive emotions in more detail. Excitement: I'm so excited about the trip. I can't wait. I'm buzzing. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm counting down the days. Relief: what a relief. I'm so relieved. I was really worried. Thank goodness for that. That's a weight off my mind. Pride: I'm so proud of myself. I feel really good about how that went. I'm proud of how far I've come. That means the world to me. Gratitude: I'm really grateful for your help. I can't thank you enough. I genuinely appreciate it. That was so kind. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart is a beautiful phrase. It means you feel something very deeply and sincerely. Key phrases to remember: I'm so relieved. That's a weight off my mind. I'm so proud of how far I've come. I can't thank you enough. From the bottom of my heart. Section 3, negative feelings. Now let's cover the harder emotions, the ones we also need to express. Frustration: I'm really frustrated. This is so annoying. I just can't seem to get it right. I feel like I'm going in circles. Disappointment: I'm really disappointed. That's such a shame. I was really hoping for better news. I feel let down. Someone failed your expectations. Anxiety and worry: I'm feeling a bit anxious. I've got butterflies in my stomach. Nervous excitement or anxiety: I can't stop worrying about it. It's been playing on my mind. Something is bothering you constantly. Overwhelm: I'm completely overwhelmed. I feel like I have too much on my plate, too much to deal with. I just need some time to decompress. I'm running on empty. Exhausted, nothing left to give. Key phrases to remember: I feel let down. I've got butterflies in my stomach. It's been playing on my mind. I'm running on empty. Section 4, asking and responding to feelings. Expressing feelings is only half the skill. The other half is listening, asking how someone feels. How are you feeling? Is everything okay? You seem a bit quiet. Are you all right? You don't seem yourself today. Do you want to talk about it? That last one, you don't seem yourself today, is very natural and caring. It means you've noticed they seem different from normal. Something is off. Responding with empathy: that must be really tough. I'm so sorry to hear that. I can completely understand why you feel that way. That makes total sense. I'd feel exactly the same. Offering support: is there anything I can do to help? I'm here if you need me. Take all the time you need. You don't have to go through this alone. Sharing good news. Responding: that's amazing. I'm so happy for you. You must be absolutely thrilled. You deserve it. Well done. That's brilliant news. Key phrases to remember: you don't seem yourself today. That must be really tough. I'm here if you need me. Section 5, softening strong emotions. Sometimes you need to express a strong feeling politely, especially at work or with people you don't know well. Use softening phrases. Instead of I'm furious, say I'm a little frustrated, to be honest. Instead of I'm devastated, say I'm quite disappointed with the outcome. Instead of I hate this, say I'm finding this quite challenging. Instead of I'm terrified, say I'm a little nervous if I'm honest. The words a bit, quite, a little, and rather all soften emotions. I'm rather concerned. I'm a bit fed up. I'm quite unsettled by this. Fed up is very common British English. It means tired and frustrated with a situation. I'm fed up with waiting. I'm fed up of the same routine. Another useful softener, if I'm honest or to be honest. I'm a bit nervous about it if I'm honest. This phrase makes you sound thoughtful and self-aware rather than dramatic. Key phrases to remember. I'm a little frustrated to be honest. I'm quite disappointed with the outcome. I'm a bit fed up if I'm honest. Brilliant work today, let's recap. Basic emotions upgraded. Over the moon instead of happy. Devastated instead of sad. Livid instead of angry. Positive feelings. I'm so relieved, that's a weight off my mind. I'm so proud, that means the world to me. Negative feelings. It's been playing on my mind. And I'm running on empty. Listening and empathy. That must be really tough. And I'm here if you need me. Softening. I'm a bit frustrated to be honest. Instead of I'm furious. Emotions are at the heart of every conversation. When you can express how you feel and respond to others with care, your English becomes truly human. In our next lesson, we'll cover talking about your job and career. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. You're doing incredibly well. Keep going.